Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly: Android Studio up to date, Java 11, and a configured app module. Once done, open the Firebase console and add your Android app using the exact application ID. Make sure to download the Google services JSON file. You'll add it to apps/ directly. Now register the app and note the package name mappings so Gradle finds the config. This gets you out of setup drudgery and into the dependency steps immediately. Next, you modify Gradle files to integrate Firebase. At the project level, add Google's Maven repo and the Google GMS Google Services class path, then sync. Once synced, open app-level Gradle and apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom so the JSON reads correctly. Use the Firebase BOM to align versions and then add the specific libraries you need, for example, Auth or Firestore. After you add them, sync and confirm no version conflicts. This aligns runtime and compile artifacts for consistency. To finish, place Google Services JSON into app/ and rebuild so resource entries are generated. Then initialize Firebase in your application class or main activity using Firebase app. Initialize app this when appropriate. Many libraries auto-init, but explicit init avoids race conditions. Run the app on a device or emulator, watch Logcat for startup messages, and open Firebase debug view or logs to verify events arrive. If something breaks, check the package name in the JSON matches your app ID and that Google Play Services is available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.